Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest and informative reviews of the latest products in the market. Today, we've got something special for you, a conditioner that's making waves for its effectiveness in tackling dry and frizzy hair. I present to you the Amazon Basics Moisture-Rich Conditioner, the ultimate solution for your hair care needs. Let's dive right in and explore why this conditioner is considered the best for dry and frizzy hair. The Amazon Basics Moisture-Rich Conditioner comes in a pack of 4 28 fluid-ounce bottles, making it an excellent value for your money. It's specially formulated to help restore vibrancy and make dry, damaged hair soft without weighing it down. Here are some key features that set this conditioner apart. Moisturizing power. This conditioner is made with vitamin E, which is renowned for its moisturizing properties. It helps combat dryness and leaves your hair feeling soft and hydrated. Free from harmful ingredients. The Amazon Basics Moisture-Rich Conditioner is formaldehyde donor-free. Free from DMDM, hydantin, parabens, and phthalate, ensuring that you're using a safe and gentle product on your hair. Not tested on animals. It's important to note that this product is cruelty-free. And it's proudly made in the USA with US and foreign components, ensuring both quality and ethics. Comparable to Tresemme. If you're a fan of Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner, you'll love this conditioner as it's designed to be a worthy alternative. Now, let's hear from users who've tried the Amazon Basics Moisture-Rich Conditioner. Based on customer reviews, it has received an impressive 4.2 out of 5 stars rating with over 2,200 reviews. Now, let's talk about how to use the Amazon Basics Moisture-Rich Conditioner. Simply apply an adequate amount of conditioner from mid-shaft to ends, based on your hair length. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly for best results. In conclusion, if you've been struggling with dry and frizzy hair, the Amazon Basics Moisture-Rich Conditioner is here to rescue your locks. With its moisturizing power, affordable price, and positive user reviews, it's worth giving a try. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, when it comes to finding the best products, Product Critique has got you covered. Until next time, take care of your hair and stay fabulous.